Welcome to another episode from Lead the Way Capital. This is Ryan Schultz, and today we're going over our new investment app. As you can see, once you log in, you actually come to this page. It's broken up into 4 different asset classes. So you have businesses, real estate, paper assets, currencies, and commodities. The reason why we broke it up this way is because this will help hedge your risk against future downturns. And for example, like when COVID happened back in late February, early March, we saw the paper assets, so like stocks, drop dramatically. Real estate stayed pretty steady. Businesses did okay because there was a bunch of government bailouts, um, and currencies and commodities, so such as like gold and silver, dropped as well. Now, in today's environment, we're starting to see businesses collapse. So there's bankruptcies, there's been more consolidations. You're seeing real estate start to climb on the residential side. I think the commercial side is definitely going to change just because of how we're working, staying at home. Paper assets, so stocks jumped dramatically if you invested in that, and then currencies and commodities. Now gold and silver it's running as well. So are some of the crypto coins. So once you log in, you can actually click on these 3 little stripes. You can see my profile set up. You can click in here. You can upload a picture. That's just me riding the bull, grabbing the bull by the horns, of course. And then you can come back into it. You can highlight your favorite investments, so you can see which ones are highlighted. You can also favorite your resources, so you can see which ones are favorited as well on here. So once you click into the businesses, it'll actually have a bunch of different listings of like crowdfunding and syndications where you can go and look at different business opportunities, act like an angel investor. So first one is Start Engine. You can see the description on here. You can favorite it. You can leave comments like, "Hey, I had a great experience. This is what happened," or "I did not have a great experience." You can leave, what did you make money? Did you lose money? And the way to get to it is you just click on the website link, and it'll send you to the that company. And on here you can see, so Kevin O'Leary, he's a investor in this company, in the Start Engine, so he promotes it a lot. So you can log in on there and you can just hit Start Investing. And you can see all the different investments out there right now, what they're going for, minimum investments. So like you can invest in this stuff for as low as like $100. So you can become somewhat like an angel investor and invest in these companies. So, and typically, I look at this as being like a 10-year return, seeing what happens. And it's pretty risky just because, a lot of businesses fail, of course. It's a good investment for the fact of, you can really like 10x your money on some of these. But in order to do that, there is a period of waiting, and it is risky. So, but there's a reason why there's a lot of angel investors out there, and there's a lot of venture capitalists. So if we head back to the app, click out of this, come down to the real estate side. So list a bunch of different ways you can invest in real estate. And so one example would be Fundrise. You can see again the description. You can like it if that's one of your favorites. You can leave comments. You can go to their website. I'm an investor in this. You gotta log in real quick. Oh, already logged in. You can look at portfolio. So I just started investing in it literally like about a week or so ago, and it's been paying me. I just invested $1,000, and it is a real estate investment trust, and it's been paying me 10 cents a day ever since I've done it. And it spreads the risk around to these different investments and these active projects. So you have new apartments, you have some commercial, different developments, and that's how you get a return back on your money. And I picked the supplemental income, so it's literally create as much dividends as it possibly can. Go back to the investments. Again, go down to paper assets. One of my favorites, of course, is Robinhood. It has a list of a bunch, though. Different companies you can invest with. You can like it, like I said. Read the description. Go to the actual website. You can see you can actually claim free stocks for signing up. You get a free one once you log in. So these are just some of my some stuff that I invest in right now. You can see it's live right now. It's up a little bit, but again, my favorite investment has been VOO, which I put money in this and keep it for long term. You know, I'm looking for years and years to keep my money into something like this. It also pays a dividend every quarter, which is I love dividends, cash flow coming in as much as I can. Then last, we'll go into the currencies and commodities. So one company I've invested with is APMEX. I like them because they're one of my favorites. Just because you can buy physical gold and silver and they send it to your house that is verified. So you go into, I'm already logged in, go into my account, you can go to current holdings. You can see, you know, I'm a silver, I really like silver. You can see how much I've acquired and then what the value is of it currently on there. So easy way to get gold and silver shipped to your house, physical, you know, put it in a safe, something like that, keep it secure. But there's a difference between owning this and then owning silver and gold on the stock market because it's still considered a paper asset. It's not the physical holdings of it. And then we go back in here, and then what's cool is resources. I got a resource button, so it's broken up into those 4 categories. You can click on businesses. I just uploaded a lot of stuff that I use that I like. Angel investing, how to do it, 0 to 1s, Peter Thiel, Gary V's, just good strategies, Tim Ferriss, Lean Startup. Also, I added this button where you can actually add your own pick. So if you have good resources or even good funds that you would like to add, you can do that as well. You just click in there. You can add your own pick at the bottom, put your link details, upload pictures, and then we review it and can approve it to put it on this site. So if you have one out there, let me know. Thanks again for tuning in, and please follow us at Lead the Way Capital on Instagram and Facebook, and LTW Capital on Twitter. You can download the app. They're in the bio of Instagram, and it's on Facebook as well. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you next time. Thanks.